Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to get rid of that stubborn belly fat, and it's working with simple, easy ingredients. You blend it early in the morning and you're good to go. You drink this in the morning on an empty stomach 20 minutes before your meal. Okay, so we're going to be working with some coriander leaves today. We're also going to be working with 1 lemon. Also, you're going to need a pan and 750 ml of water. So we're going to put this in our pan right now. Now lastly, you're also going to be using some cinnamons. Now you can use 1 cinnamon stick or 1/2 teaspoon of the powder. Alright, so I'm just going to put 1 stick in our pan right now. Okay, pop that in your pan for boiling. Now as far as the coriander leaves, we're just going to use like a handful of that and also put that in your pot as well. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take your lemons and we're going to slice that up into pieces. Okay, and now we're just going to plop that into our pan. Okay, and then we're going to let this boil for at least 10 minutes on a low simmer. And then we'll be right back. Alright you guys, so it is ready. Our tea is ready. And now what you got to do is just strain it into your cup. And this is super powerful, you guys. Okay, when you boil your lemons, you really get the full effect of the lemons. You get the full power of the lemons. Now you drink this early in the morning on an empty stomach, and this is going to do some wonders for your body. If you want, you can also add in, to boost it up even more, you can also add in 2 tablespoons of your Bragg's apple cider vinegar. So there you have it, you guys, a super powerful weight loss tea. And when you add this Bragg's apple cider vinegar into it, it makes it even more powerful. This is going to detox your body, flush your intestines out, clean you out, okay? You won't have to go. So this is a wonderful way to detox your body and boost your weight loss even more. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notifications on for this channel and make sure that they're set for all. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will also get hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, story times, the whole 9 on that channel. Alright? And don't forget, join me again on the next wonderful weight loss video. Welcome YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.